Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to log into crypto. Calm on your computer. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official crypto. Com Exchange website. Once there, look for the Login button, typically positioned in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Click this button and then carefully input your registered email address and password into the provided fields. This is your initial step to accessing your account securely. After entering your credentials, you might encounter a security verification like a CAPTCHA. Complete it to proceed. The next crucial step involves two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Open your chosen authenticator app on your mobile phone, like Google Authenticator or Authy. You will see a 6-digit, time-based one-time password, or TOTP. Carefully enter this code into the corresponding field on your computer screen within 30 seconds. If you encounter any login difficulties, first ensure your internet connection is stable. Sometimes, clearing your browser's cache and cookies can resolve common access problems. Remember, security is paramount. Always use a strong, unique password and never share your login details or 2FA codes with anyone, even if they claim to be from crypto. Com support. Be vigilant against phishing attempts to protect your assets. Once you have successfully completed all the login steps, you will be directed to your personal crypto. Com dashboard. From here, you can view your cryptocurrency portfolio, explore various trading options, and manage your account settings. It is always a best practice to log out of your account when you are finished with your session, especially if you are using a shared or public computer. This helps maintain the security of your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.